In tonight's episode, I'll be sharing with you 5 tips on how to instantly boost your productivity in law school. All of this and more coming right up. This episode is brought to you by Dekada! 10 life lessons from 10 years in law school. Sa akdang ito, ako na ang nagkamali, nadapa, lumuha at nasaktan para ikaw kapatid ay makatapos sa loob ng 4 o 6 na taon. Think of it as a game guide, a cheat sheet that you can use throughout your law school journey. By purchasing this ebook, you are sowing the seeds of free legal aid for those who fall within the gaps of the law. With your help, we can bring the law to the people and more people to the law. Grab your copy through the link in the description down below. Hi, my name is Lex and welcome to Lex in Motion. In this channel, I'll be helping you build your competence, confidence, and capability in law school. Start today by hitting the subscribe button below. New episodes are posted every Friday. Without further ado kapatid, narito ang mga pangmalakasan, pang-diinang tips kung paano ka mas lalong magiging productive sa iyong law school journey. Tip number 1, follow your impulses. Hindi mo naman sinasadya kapatid na ikaw ay pumasok sa law school. Malamang ito ay pinasok mo dahil pinapapasok ka lang ng mga magulang mo o nabudol ka lang ng boss mo. Sa parehong paraan na hindi mo rin siguro sinasadya na mag-enroll ng 15 to 19 units ngayong semester na ito. My tip is for you to follow your impulses. Total impulse mo din naman ang naghatid sa'yo sa lintik na buhay na meron ka ngayon. Maano bang hindi tayo magtiwala ngayon para maisalba ka? Huwag tularan ng mga kaklase mong pabibo. Carve your own path in law school. Uminom hanggang mag-umaga. Total papasok ka din naman na walang maaalala. At least dito ay nag-enjoy ka namang Tip number 2, choose your materials wisely. Hindi mo obligasyon na aralin, basahin at sauluhin ang lahat ng 2,000 provisions ng Civil Code. Kahit makipagpustahan ka pa ng putol sa professor mo, ay hindi rin naman niya ito marirecite sa'yo. Ay bakit pa aaralin lahat ng ito? Hindi mo trabahong aralin ang buong rules of court dahil mayat maya din naman itong binabago, pinapalitan at inaamendahan. Maano bang babasahin mo pa ba kung ang practice naman ay open notes? My advice kapatid is for you to choose your materials wisely. Huwag ka nang magbasa ng Reyes para Sorabuya. Focus na lang tayo kung saan kumukuha ng mga tanong ang ating mga professor. Huwag mo na ding basahin ang mga kasong ina-assign sa inyo dahil dog showin lang naman kayo sa pagpasok ninyo. Tatanungin pa kayo kung bakit nagsayang kayo ng oras. Kakabasa ng kaso na wala namang connection sa inaaral ninyo. Choosing your materials also means hunting down the latest and the greatest sample exams, previous exams, and the exams of your professors from other schools. Ganon din naman siguro na ang magiging diskarte kapag bar exam na. May leakage naman siguro o kokopya lang from previous exams. Tip number 3, learn to sort your tasks. Work smarter, ika nga nila. At ito ay yung paniniwalang ka dahil sino ba naman ang sobra-sobra ang oras para magbasa ng lahat. Finite ang oras natin kapatid, at ang tip dito ay yung upuan at isipin kung ano ang pinakamagandang gamit sa oras mo. Oras na hindi ka nakatutok sa Reels, Shorts at TikTok. Oras na hindi ka nakapikit at nagmumuni-muni. At oras na hindi ka nakatunganga lang. Sort your tasks into tasks that are important and urgent, important but not urgent, unimportant but urgent, and unimportant and not urgent. Dito sa important and urgent, ilagay mo dito ang pakikichismis sa bidel o tropa mula sa ibang section para makimarites sa kung saan ang inabot, saan natapos at alin ang mga kasong itinanong. Maituturing naman natin na important but not urgent ang mga items na imuhang adjudicat na sa paparating na 4-4 sale dahil bagamat importante sa iyo ang ng retail therapy, ay hindi pa naman for sale. This activity can definitely wait. Unimportant but urgent din naman ang ating may tuturing ang iyong pagpili ng topic ng away ninyo ng jowa mo. Hindi nating pwedeng palampasin ang mga kabubuhan niya sa buhay at kailangan nating humanap ng human punching bag dahil kung hindi ka toxic ay baka naman sadyang nagbago ka ng ka. Toothpaste na hindi natakpan. Messages na higit ilang segundo bago isin. The possibilities are endless, ika nga. Para ikaw ay tuyuin. Finally, we have tasks that are important and also not urgent. Group reporting, meeting tungkol sa group digests. These are things that you can safely dismiss as not important and not urgent. Hindi naman ito kailangan ngayon. Baka naman pwedeng gawin ito 1 week before the final exams. Tip number 4, be assertive against your professors. Use your charm, i.e. ang God-given kapal ng mukha, tibay ng dibdib at lakas ng apog na hindi namin alam kung saan nanggagaling to get by in law school. Mag-request tayo ng asynchronous activity on behalf of our classmates. Total, November pa noong nabook natin ang piso fair na tatama sa araw ng klase ninyo. Mag-request ka ng extension ng deadline because your grandfather's neighbor's son-in-law was taken to the vet for an emergency. Humingi ka ng ceasefire, kapatid, because why the hell not? Majority ng klase ay wala din namang alam. Kung hindi naman, ay request kayo ng lecture. Of course, we're law students. We are entitled to a lecture. Kung hindi mo kayang sabihin to sa inyong mga professor, ibadaan sa ating mga magigiting na bidel na na-appoint lang naman dahil sila ay bida-bida. Huwag mag-atubiling lumapit sa kanila at abalahin sila dahil kingin na hindi naman nila kailangan magbasa. Nabubuhay sila para pagsilbihan ka. Tip number 5, maximize the resources at your disposal. In the olden days, we had to look up cases all on our own using the Scry library. Yes, kapatid, there was a time that we had to go to a real place with real life shelves and open real life books and hunt down our own cases. My advice for you is to maximize the tools you have at your disposal. Kung kailangan mo ng digest, kapatid, kingina, bakit ka magbabasa kung may chat GPT naman? Bakit ka magpapagod na magsulat kung pwede mo namang hanapin ito sa internet o ipasummarize sa AI tools? Yung pulido naman ang gawa ng robot kesa sa iyo na inaantok pa. I you not, kapatid, a few months ago, I notarized an affidavit of verification for someone who was awfully proud of the AI tools they used to draft and craft their pleading. These were very young lawyers. Read into that what you will. Sabi nga ni Francis Magalona, puta, kung kaya nila, ay kaya mo din. Salamat, kapatid. Kung inabot mo ang ending ng episode na to, salamat kung sa ilang minutong nagdaan, ikaw ay nalibang. The April Fool's Day special has been quite a tradition here in Lex in Motion. Writing this episode today just gives me perspective on how long we've been doing this. Maraming nagtatanong kung kamusta na ako. Abay, ina, sa akin ka ba sumususo? The past few months have been particularly hectic and burdensome for a lot of us here. Miss ko ding magsulat ng content but I have taken my office to war. That is us committing the entire resources of our firm and our office for one cause. One case. Stop muna ang 90 to 95% ng legal aid. All hands tayo sa iisang kaso. Hindi naman ito umabot sa skra, kapatid. Ay okay lang. Nakapagpabago tayo ng mga buhay. We brought justice for a lot of people. Justice which they honestly believed belonged only to those who knew the right people. We changed that. About 3 weeks ago, I had the misfortune of lying on a cold bed, and when the doctors cleared me of a heart attack or stroke, I immediately stood up and wanted to go back to work. I've been told to take things slow, something I've always struggled with. Dami ko na namang nakwento, tama na ang daldal. Hindi ako nakangako dahil hindi ko kailangan ang inyong mga boto. Hello, Taliano Gold! Pero pagsusumikapan kong bumalik na tayo sa regular content sa abot ng kakayanin ng aking puso. If you would like to see more content on how to build your confidence in law school, please let me know by typing yes in the comments down below. Alam ko na simpleng yes lang ito kapatid, pero mahalaga ito sa amin. By typing yes in the comments, you are telling me and telling the team that what we do here is helpful. By typing yes in the comments, you are telling me and telling the team that an actual sentient human being watched this episode at may totoong tao ang nakinabang sa aming pinagpaguran. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share this episode for Good Law School Karma, and I will see you next Friday.